I wanted to talk about peonies a little bit today. Peonies are one of those very special, sort of an aristocratic flower, and they're somewhat unique to the Midwest. They make the Midwestern gardens very special at this time of year, around Memorial Day. But there's a lot of diversity in peonies that not everybody knows about. There's early flowering, mid-flowering, and late flowering peonies. So you can extend your peony season out by getting the specific plants that will flower at different times. But they're all going to be in that May-June period. And there's also tree peonies, which are woody peonies. You don't cut them back. They actually have woody stems, and they get bigger and bigger with each passing year. They can get up to 3.5, 4 foot tall, and they're really beautiful plants. But this guy here is one of the Ito series peonies. It's a hybrid between the old-fashioned herbaceous peony and the tree peony. So it's got some of the attributes, the best attributes of both. It's a lot more, it has sturdy stems and it stays upright, but yet it has the big, massive flowers common to the tree peony. This one is Barzilla, is the cultivar, and it's also called, you'll see them referred to as an intersectional peony or an Ito peony. And like I said, they're a hybrid between the two. And these are they're a little pricier in the garden centers, but as you can see, they're well worth it. And then another problem with peonies are very long-lived, but one of the most common problems you have with peonies is they have these massive flowers, and you get a rainfall and they nosedive. And this sort of starts to happen. And you can resolve that a little bit. One way is the type of peony. You can get certain varieties that have their stems are a little stiffer, but you can also support them with peony hoops, and it's just a wire ring, multiple rings, concentric rings, and you can, before they emerge, you can put those peony hoops in place and pull them up gradually so that they support the stems and they don't flap like this. And like I said, you can get some varieties that are, especially some of the newer introductions, have stiffer stems. And also the big doubled bomb type peonies, the big massive flowers, those are going to be the most prone. If you get a single row or a single peony, or some of the anemone type peonies, there's not as much flower there to collect water and get heavy and nosedive. So there's a lot of ways you can improve your peony display with some supports and picking certain cultivars. With that, give us maybe check us out sometime this summer. Our hours are 10 to 5 every day, and we're at the corner of Gift and Prospect.